In this video, we're going to go from this to this using this, kind of. So after posting the video for the Vantrue dash cam, got a couple of comments and down there in the comment section about it. One of which was that I ruined the image by installing it up in the tent part of the windshield. So there are a couple reasons why I did that, and I didn't talk about it on the video, and I probably should have. One of them is just simply for anti-glare. Putting it up in that area will help keep some of the glare from the sun out of it, or headlights. And I think I did mention that in the comments. The other reason, real quick, the other reason was simply the tent on that Expedition, the factory windshield tent goes down pretty far. I would basically have to put the camera down below the rearview mirror, or pretty close to below the rearview mirror, to get past that area, which that's not going to work for me. So another comment after I mentioned that was that Vantrue has a filter for the camera that you can put on there. And off the top of my head, as I recall, it's the V2, V3, and V4 Pro series that filter will fit. Of course, there'll be a link down in the description, as always, to the filter or any other product that I talk about. So I purchased one, and I wanted to show the difference of the filter. However, since I put the camera up in the tent area, I don't think you're going to see a whole lot. Well, no, you're not. You're not going to see a whole lot of difference between the filter and no filter. But I wanted to go ahead and throw this video out here anyway, just to make you aware that there's a filter in case you either don't have tint on your windshield up there, or you're able to mount the camera further down. I know, like in my Fusion, where the camera's mounted, it's below the tent line. So a filter would be great on that camera. However, it's not a Vantrue camera, so I don't think there's any filters available for it. It's not that good of a camera. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this filter on real quick. Patch that here. Go. And I cleaned this off screen, but you might want to clean the lens here just a little bit. And of course, just like a regular, there we go, like a regular filter for a camera, just screws on. Just like so. Okay, now I'm going to mount it. Okay, after putting the lens on, you'll need to turn this with small increments. I hope you can see that okay, but turn the lens just a little bit. And what that will do is that sets the polarization, just like with the regular polarizing filter for a DSLR camera. And as you can see, it changes as I go through it. There we go. So want to get the max effect, which is about right there. Now this is something you may have to redo every once in a while. If you notice that the polarization effect is going away, then you'll need to readjust that. Just again, reach up right around here. See if I can get up here. And grab that edge. Just grab that edge right here and turn it. And that will give it set for max polarization effort. So anyway, I put the filter on there, and I personally see a little bit of a difference in some of the video files. Again, with the fact that I've got the camera up in the tent area of the windshield, it's not a big difference, not as big a difference as you'll see if you don't have the camera mounted in the tent area. So anyway, here's an option for you that will help keep the glare out, and well, the glare out for the sun and for headlights. And I just kind of wanted to mention that in a video. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.